So today we are talking about telling time in Tibetan. Telling time in Tibetan. So in telling time in Tibetan, there are a couple of things. Number one is chutsu. It can be watch as a concrete object. It can be clock. It can be time, or it can be hours. Okay. So chutsu yupe can mean do you have watch rather than do you have time. So that thing you have to be careful. If you want to ask time, you have to ask chuchu kachure. What is the time? What is the time? Chuchu kachure. Then they will tell you time. Then there is chuchu is time. Reference to have. Do you have time in terms of time to talk or time to have a meeting? Chuchu yube. Chuchu yu. Chuchu me. Kerala chuchu yube. Do you have time in terms of having actual time to spend for some whatever reason you want to ask? So chuchu, otherwise you should say this one, chuchu yube. Now there are four main instances in which you, number one, either it is exact, 10 exact. Chuchu is the time, right? Chuchu, 10, chupa. Chupa, you have to say chupa as an ordinal number. Chuchu chupa, taktare. It's exact 10 o'clock. It's exact 10 o'clock. Okay? And then there's another instances where it passes 12. What? This minute. Minute is called karma. Minute hand. Minute, karma, and thang is end or pass. Because you pass this line 12, therefore it is end. Thang we use. So chu chu, chu, thang, 10, and karma chure. So when you have something to end to addition, you don't say pa. You say it's 10 and 10 minutes. Karma chure. Okay? So you are saying is 10 and or 10 minutes. Or you can say 10 past 10 minutes. It's 10 past 10 minutes. Then third instances would be half and half because it passed, so you say and half here. Chu 10 and half. Chu tang chegare. It's 10 30 minutes or 10 half, or you can say in a different way by saying it will take 20 minutes up there. No, 30 minutes, right? So that has different word called simper, which gives you a sense of two. Chusungapa, simper, to get to 5 o'clock, 11 minutes. So it's 11 minutes to 5, right? So you have to say like this. So these are the instances where you can use words in Tibetan, and also you look at check in your textbook and you will see all the explanation. With this video clip, it will get more clear about four main instances where you need to use this correct word takta, thang, cheka, or to simper. Okay.